the shoulder elevated hip thrust, we've got a barbell sitting right over the top of the hip crease. With this movement, we want to have just the upper part of your back resting on the bench. If you have too much of your back resting on the bench, then it can make it difficult for you to hinge the hip forward and backwards. Now, at the top of the movement, you want to make sure that your shoulders, hips and ankles are all in line, and that your knees and your ankles are in line. If you feel like your hamstrings are doing more of the work instead of your glutes, it could possibly be that your feet aren't quite where they need to be. Typically I find that tends to happen when your feet are a little bit too far forward. So in that case, adjust your feet and see whether you can feel your glutes working a little bit better when you change your foot positioning. Now, at the top of every rep, you want to make sure that you're squeezing your glutes as hard as you can so that you can get full hip extension. That way we can avoid using your lower back instead of your glutes.